Women only call me ugly until they find out how much money I make. Then they call me ugly and poor. You're welcome. So I'm up our little plot area here. Been getting a lot of action. We planted the hostas there the other day. Looks like somebody already trampled that, but the deer love that in my mother's area, which is a couple hours away. So we threw that there to help attract some more deer. But there's still lots coming in. Lots of does anyway. Now the bears here are coming in. Mama bear came in with a couple cubs. A whole bunch of action going on, but they're eating up the corn, so I'm gonna throw some more of that out. I'm gonna hopefully get some apples here soon, throw some of those out. But the main thing is that the deer are still coming in here. I actually have a bear tag too, so we'll see how much time we get. Once you get the garage up and everything, you're gonna turn up the hunting for sure, but we'll see what we can do for now. I'm gonna throw out that feed anyway. All right, that's that. Gonna get back and put up that wall in the garage.
You got the chalk in there?
No.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Well, he just asked me.
Yep. That is a lot of wood. That's big. What size is that header? How many feet long?
It's 16. It's all they had,
Oh.
and it's treated
Yeah.
because that's also all they had. And it's a 2x12 because the garage guy said he needed 12 inches to fasten to.
Ah, okay.
So I don't know whether he does or not. I'm gonna put it in
That's
anyway.
what he says, then that's what he gets.
Well, then
Got it done right.
at Home Hardware, he was saying he thought they just needed 12 inches of clearance.
Oh.
And I was like, well, I actually said specifically to the guy, 12 inch, so you want a 12-inch header. And he said, yeah, so.
Yeah.
But I don't know, whatever. It's not going to hurt,
No.
so it doesn't matter. He'll have both. He'll have 12-inch, he'll have 2 feet of clearance, and he'll have a 12-inch header.
Yeah.
Done.
Good.
Yeah. Now, the other 2x8?
Oh,
Yeah.
it's 2x8 for the
That's
little
for the
man
door.
door?
Yeah.
Oh.
I would have done the other one that way, but I just thought he had said that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's not going to hurt any.
No. Except your wallet.
Yeah. Because big a 2x4 hurts that. Now, like,
Never do that.
our header and bottom plates are a little bit long, so just like the back wall, just gonna cut them and mark them out. It's convenient having this here now. I don't know if I mentioned this, But these walls are actually almost 10.5 feet tall. Anybody who wasn't sure. The studs are 10 feet, so they're not 10-foot studs, they're 10-foot 10-foot 2x4s. So with the 2 plates and the bottom plate, it makes it 10 feet 4.5 inches. So 1.5 inches shy of 10.5 feet tall. So gives us a little more height. And they didn't have any 10-foot studs. They just had the 10-foot 2x4s. And that gives us a little more height, so that's just all good. So that'd be another reason why it looks even higher. So, but that's cool. The higher the better. If you're wondering why I'm doing it off the edge of the wall here, because I don't feel like knocking those braces off. So pretty sure we'll be able to do this and then put the bottom plate on, then just drag it up on top of that before we lift it. We can't toenail it like a regular wood floor anyway to lift it, so we can just drag it back and then lift it up in place and go from there. At least that's the theory. It's up, I'll just bend them over or stick something on the nails or something. You just gotta have that piece on to hold the wall together because there's a joint there.
Doing the same thing up here.
Well, that's actually a top plate.
Okay.
But it is. That one will stay. This one here will get cut out, right? Because that's just the bottom.
Get out the bottom.
The whole bottom plate will get cut out once later on, right? The top one, that's actually a piece of the plate, though.
pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now that you got the double one there anyway.
Wow. Here.
Well, there's good blueberries. You got the good stuff. Sun's pretty high. Stupid high. Oh, there's one not down for sure.
Ready, Frankie?
Yeah. Oh,
No, not ready.
wait a minute.
Guess I should have went over there.
Yeah. Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, now.
Maybe run back to the fire.
I should put it back in it.
I'll get it, Tina.
You're going? Yeah.
Yeah, that all looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, the drill bit just came off. Line transfer.
They got the good transfers, them guys. That's all he says.
Fine.
Here?
I'm good.
What line for that? 4 3/4?
The first 8 after a half? Yeah, yeah.
3 5 and
5/8.
Check the end while I put it there.
Sam, what are you doing?
Yep.
Then you nail down.
He's someone, I can't see up there with that. Just a regular step ladder, you couldn't.
I am.
You're gonna
I
have
know it's easier, quicker.
You're gonna ask you a million thinking times. Even if
Nail down the way to go.
it's probably a good thing, that thing. Take it right down on the mark, yeah, you'll have to give me a measurement on that one. Yeah. Where'd you buy that ladder at, you remember?
Canadian Tire.
get, don't want to drive into the pad.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh yeah. Drive her into the pad. Yeah, that's
Just a tiny bit. Well,
too much,
that's pretty good there.
is it?
Yeah. All right, another wall. The last
Yay.
wall.
Yeah. Now we just have to plywood. We'll probably plywood all these pieces tomorrow, and then Tyvek it. That's the word, right? Yeah, Tyvek. And then Tyvek it.
Yeah.
And then it'll be
House wrap, tie power,
yeah.
whatever.
Then it'll be ready to just wait for the trusses.
Yeah, we'll still have to build up the headers. We just threw one in for now. We got lots of spider web braces in there.
Yeah.
Build it up. But yeah, just trusses really.
Mhm.
It's looking like a building now.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Yeah, pretty exciting. It's cool. All right.
Coming together.
See you later. I'm starving.
I made a chicken. It's in
And
the
you
slow
made it
cooker.
on.
Oh yes, I did want to say that. I used the slow cooker for 3.5 hours and plugged into the solar the whole time. And it was like a cloudy day. It wasn't terribly sunny.
And our solar is like, it's not like
It's not very good.
other people's solars out
No.
there.
And it did excellent. Like it was most of the time at 80 to 100% anyway.
Yeah.
The batteries. So that was so cool. I cooked my whole chicken and potatoes, and I'm going to go in and whip up some gravy, and I got squash that I cooked in the oven. So I was super impressed that I can use the slow cooker on my really crappy solar system.
That was really cool.
Yeah, that was cool.
Hey, speaking of solar though, we actually have some
Major plans.
plans going with the solar here soon.
In the next few weeks. Yeah, we're
yeah,
gonna
going into
upgrade.
the winter, we want to get that better.
Yeah.
So we're not running Jenny's.
Yeah,
At least not nearly as much.
that'll be in the next video. Maybe we'll talk about what we're gonna do for that.
Or the next video, maybe I'll just put up plywood.
Probably, but we'll tell you soon.
Yeah. Oh, we're going away for
Our
we're not
anniversary.
going away like far because you can't leave.
Mm-hmm.
But we're going. What's it called?
Grand Manan, an
Yeah,
island.
Grand
in New
Manan. We'll
Brunswick,
show you what it is and more details on it
when
after
we're
we
there.
go.
Yeah,
So like, there's not somebody stalking us there.
yeah. So we're going there sometime soon, and you'll get to see our whole trip. We'll show you like clips of our trip there and stuff. It's for our anniversary.
Well, at least show it thrown into the next video or something.
Yeah, our 8th wedding anniversary
Yeah.
is coming up real soon.
Yeah.
So.
And show you the spot because
Yeah.
it's pretty cool. It's
Yeah.
a viewer actually who's got this spot.
Yeah, a subscriber here sent us a card in the mail.
We'll explain it when we're done.
Yes,
Be in there.
right. Okay. Yeah.
All right.
Check in.
Later.